What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, Skittles released their new limited edition all lime Skittles, and I got my hands on a pack, as you can see, and I decided I'm going to make a recipe with them as well. And that's why today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan lime Skittles cookies. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So, for this recipe, you'll need half a cup of all lime Skittles. If you're watching this at a time these aren't available, then any kind of Skittles will work. And I believe that sour Skittles will probably be the next best thing. You also need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup and a half of sugar, 1 cup of softened vegan butter, a 1/4 cup of vegan yogurt. I would do either plain, vanilla, or key lime flavored. You also need 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. some of my cookies turned out better looking than others, but here we have our vegan lime Skittles cookies. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.